further news is trickling in from the political sphere. War of words between the BJP and the Congress continues to escalate. Prime Minister Narendra Modi accused the INDIA bloc of engaging in politics of appeasement and has linked it to mudra performed by courtesans for kings or elites during the Mughal era. Now, the opposition has sharply reacted to these comments, calling it unfortunate and lowering of the dignity of the Prime Minister's post. Additionally, Priyanka Gandhi has also slammed Prime Minister Modi and has stated that no other Prime Minister has used such language. Let's listen in to the war of words.
इंडिया अलायंस को अपने वोट बैंक की गुलामी करनी है तो करें, उनको वहां जाके मुजरा करना है तो भी करें।
कि मोदी जी आप देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं, इतनी भी अपनी असलियत मत दिखाइए। आपने देश को कहा है कि देश आपका परिवार है, परिवार समान है। परिवार का जो मुखिया होता है हमेशा परिवार के सदस्यों के प्रति और परिवार के सदस्यों के उनके प्रति एक आंखों की शर्म होती है, वो नहीं खोनी चाहिए, वो हमेशा रखनी चाहिए। तो प्रधानमंत्री जी बौखलाहट में आ गए हैं, भूल गए हैं कि वो देश के प्रतिनिधि हैं, आपके प्रतिनिधि हैं, कि इस तरह के शब्द उनके मुंह से नहीं निकलने चाहिए। आखिर आगे वाली पीढ़ियां क्या कहेंगी कि ये हमारे प्रधानमंत्री के पद को इतना गिरा चुके हैं, पद की मर्यादा नहीं रखी, पद की गरिमा नहीं रखी।
All right, there of course, viewers, we've heard the leaders trading bars. My colleague Arzu Seth joins us on the broadcast with more details. Arzu, over to you.
Well, here we are seeing the war of words in the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress, where the Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has spit out at the Prime Minister using the word mudra. While the Prime Minister was addressing a rally, then in Bihar, he said that, if the opposition or the India bloc may perform mudra for their vote bank, but I will follow the plan of India bloc to give the SC, ST, OBC to the Muslim community. When he said this, he uses the word mudra, that opposition might perform the mudra to, please their vote banks, but I will not let this happen. So, using that remark, the Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has hit out at the Prime Minister, saying that no such in the country's history, no Prime Minister has used such word for the opposition leader, and the Prime Minister should maintain his dignity. The entire country respect the post of the Prime Minister, and it is his responsibility to maintain the dignity of that post. So we can clearly see how the war of words continued over the speech that is being given by the Prime Minister. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.